We are more and more exposed to the millennials as a future client, as a future market. Every day we speak about them, but we hardly know what they want and what their desires are. Millennials are the generation who are between 20 and 30 years old. They are often in the position to inherit a huge family wealth, which was earned by baby boomers. Since millennials are also digital natives, they are also highly relevant in terms of the asset planning and the future structures of families. For the baby boomers, it was more important to accumulate physical possessions, such as their homes and their holiday homes, collecting cars, and similar. Millennials, on the other hand, are far more interested in having new experiences, travel around the world, working abroad, testing their boundaries, generally becoming entrepreneurs of their own. They like to share their experiences online via social media and asking for advice from friends and communities. We're not asking whether this is good or bad, but what does it mean for the financial industry? This particularly affects consumers such as entrepreneurs and super rich. The current generation of customers has to consider how they will pass on their wealth and their assets and how they wish to organize their inheritance planning, both within the companies and within the family. The banks therefore need to work on answers the clients might have in the corporate finance sector and offer solutions to investors and private equities, startup, passion assets, since millennials often want to create their own footprint. They're taking over existing business is not the most favorable option very often, which leads in many cases to restructuring of family wealth, sales of companies and foundation of new companies, and related financing services are requested. Millennials will force the banks to rethink how they do things. In the future, usual bank accounts can be transferred quickly without any problems, online with a press of a button. So banks must therefore offer something which is satisfying the millennials and their interactions with the banks, something which represents real added value. They are far less interested in brands and products as we might think, and far more solution-oriented and interested in innovation of their solutions and problems. So the next generation of investors get information online, such as services, and seek out for recommendation from friends and experts before they're making decisions. Let's have a look at it next time, how they're going to invest and what are the typical investment opportunities for them.